Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a car launcher. A car launcher is a custom electrical circuit designed to activate a specific function in your vehicle, often for performance or auxiliary systems. We will cover selecting the right parts, assembling them correctly, and ensuring safe operation. This guide will help you build a reliable and effective launcher for your car, enhancing its capabilities with a custom control. To begin, you will need a sturdy switch, perhaps a toggle or a momentary push button rated for at least 10 amperes. Next, gather about 5 feet of 16 or 18 gauge automotive wire, ensuring it is insulated. A 12-volt power source, like your car's battery, is crucial. For devices drawing more than 10 amperes, a 30-ampere relay is highly recommended to protect your switch and wiring. Now, let's wire it up. Connect the positive terminal of your 12-volt power source to one terminal of your switch. From the other switch terminal, run a wire to the positive input of the device you wish to launch. Ensure the device's negative terminal is grounded. Use crimp connectors or solder for secure connections, then insulate them with heat shrink tubing or electrical tape. Before full operation, test your launcher in a safe area. Use a multimeter to confirm continuity and check for any short circuits. Always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes. Ensure all wiring is neatly routed and secured to prevent accidental disconnections. When not in use, disconnect the power source to avoid unintended activation. Safety is paramount for any custom electrical project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.